Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add product schema markup to your BigCommerce website without touching any code. I've also shared a detailed blog post that walks through the entire process step by step. You can find the link in the description below if you'd like to follow along. If you're selling products on your BigCommerce website, adding product pages alone isn't enough. Search engines also need structured information about those products. Product schema markup is structured data that helps search engines understand important details about your products, such as the product name, price, availability, ratings, and other key information. Many BigCommerce stores have schema issues such as missing review markup, invalid structured data, incorrect review properties, theme or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results even when your products already have customer reviews. Schema markup is typically added using the JSON-LD format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install BigCommerce app. You'll be redirected to the BigCommerce App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard. Then fill in the required details. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store for better visibility online. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL. Open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. That's where the JSON Schema app comes in. It automatically adds structured data, fixes schema issues, monitors markup changes, and keeps your schema updated over time so you can focus on growing your business while the app handles the technical work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.